my grow light, my power station, a light, additional batteries, wiring, and a solar controller panel. My leads ran all on the wall. I got paneling up over here. And I figured maybe I hook this up to a solar panel. 22,500 should give me 22 hours of run time. But with 4 lights on, it may only give me an hour or 2. So I'm going to put up a 100-watt solar panel, tap into my existing one, and just use a battery and use the 5-volt off of that. And this sun that you see here beaming on my back will definitely give me that run time. We're going up a ladder, and you're going to see my solar panel. There they are. I have here a couple of 3 watts, a couple of 3 volts. I have there some 100 watters and more. I'm going to be tapping off of this one in the middle. They got a little poop on it. They got to clean it right here. I want to make sure you have a nice clean solar panel. So there's my lead all set up. There's my soldering iron right down there, and all the tools and everything I need to do my work. This one is my negative. So what I'm going to do is go right about here. I'm going to start to strip down, and then I'm going to take my lead over there. I'm going to wrap it and solder it. Kind of sucks when you can't see and the sun is beaming in your eyes. So I'm just going to do my splice and then cut the wire. I stripped already, and here I am, wrap around. Grab your tape. Don't just do it right there, do it down some. This way it stays nice and waterproof. And don't just end there, could just continue going down. Want to make sure you got a nice 3 layers of tape. I'm running out of steam of the GoPro. Don't insult DJI. I'm running out of steam on the DJI Osmo Action 4. Time to get on down. Got everything I need. Go hook up the rest and go have some grow light. Oh, I got a low battery all hooked up. All I need to do now is hook this up. I'm ready for power. Kind of guess where these things need to be stripped. $14.4 charging. Grab the grow light. Plug it in. Don't you just love these cables? Turn the grow light on. I just tell ya, it is no fun when things don't work out right. I got a 12-volt battery, I got the light on. Hopefully it'll do its job.